Ready to access your Wise account? Let's walk through the login process together. First, open your browser and go to the Wise website. You'll see the login option in the page. Tap it to get started. Now, enter your email address and password. Double check that your email is correct, then hit continue. Once you have entered your details, Wise will ask you to confirm your identity for security reasons. Check your email or phone for verification code. It might take a few seconds to arrive. Once you have received it, enter the code into the verification box and tap confirm. If the verification code does not show up, be sure to check your spam folder or request a new code. If you are still having trouble, make sure your email and password are correct or try resetting your password by tapping the forgot password link. Had any login issues? Drop your questions in the comments below and we will help out. Now you are logged in and ready to use your Wise account to send and receive money across borders at the best rate. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.